Hello guys! I am Risha. I'm Alexia. We are your tutors for today. So let's get started.
Do you have any idea what geometric sequence is?
All I know is it has something to do with math.
Oh, let's just ask someone else who knows it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Jizzle, is there someone who knows?
Oh, let's look for one.
Okay.
Oh, there she is! CJ, help us! We don't get geometric sequence.
Oh, just in time. I was kind of looking for the formula for geometric sequences.
What's the formula?
And I left it somewhere near the trees, but you know, geometric sequences are actually like arithmetic, but in geometric, you multiply them, you don't add them.
Oh, okay. Can you teach us how?
Sure, but we need to look for the formula.
Okay, let's look for the... Where is it?
Can you see it?
Oh, I see something. There it is.
Yay! We got the formula!
So what's the formula?
A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times common ratio raised to n minus 1.
Yeah.
Hi! So this is the formula for geometric sequences. So what does this entail? This is your nth term. This is the term that you're looking for. This is the first term. R is the, for example, for the arithmetic, that's the D. For geometric, that's the R. That's like the consecutive numbers that you're going to multiply to get the next term. And then n minus 1 is the n here, minus 1. So how do we do it? We should look for another problem around the area.
Where do you think is the problem? There it is.
So a piece of paper is cut in half. Each half is again cut in half. If this process is repeated 10 times,
What would be the area of each piece of paper?
It's cut in half. Let's just say that's half. Okay, so what will we do? So, right, this one, it's already cut in half. And then you have to fold this one in half again. So what will happen after that? You have to repeat this half process 10 times. So, what is it? So what is our first term? Our first term is actually 1. And then 1. So how do we get our second term? We will incorporate the formula. Formula a sub n equals a sub 1 or raised to n minus 1. So let's change them. So we're looking for the times 10. So a sub 10 times, since we're gonna start this one as our first term, it's gonna be 1 half times times 0.5. N minus 1 is 9 because n minus 1, n is 10, minus 1 is 9. And the answer for this is, wait, let's do it carefully. 1 half times 0.5 raised to 9 is gonna be 1 raised to 5, 1, 2. So what do we need? So let's remove those quantities. Let's make it 1 raised to 5, 1, 2. 1 half raised to 5. That's gonna give us 1 raised to 2, 0, 5.
Nalagay mo ba dyan?
1, 0, 4. So that's the answer. Answer is 1 raised to 2, 1, 0, 2.
Problem is, you have to find the next two terms. So to get r is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So it will be 20 over 100. So the answer is negative 5, so that's the r. And then just substitute it to the formula. So a sub n is a sub 4. Since you're looking for the fourth term, then 100, the first term, times r raised to 4 minus 1. So 100 times r raised to 4 minus 1 will be 3. And then 100 times negative 5, since that's the r, raised to 3. So 100 times negative 5 raised to 3 will become negative 125. So the answer will be negative 12,500. So that's the fourth term. Next thing you have to do is to substitute it, but now to the fifth term. So a sub 5 is equal to 100 times negative 5 raised to 5 minus 1. So 100 times negative 5 raised to 5 minus 1 is 4. And then 100 times negative 5 raised to 4 is 625. So the answer will be 62,500. So that's the fifth term. So the problem is, write the first n terms of the geometric described. So a sub 1 is given, which is 3, r is equal to 2, and n is equal to 5. So to get the next terms, you have to substitute it to the formula. So the formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So to get the second term, just substitute it. So a sub 2 is equal to 3, the first term, times 2, the common ratio, raised to 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2 become 3 times 2 raised to 1. So 3 times 2 is 6, so that's the second term. Basically, you just have to multiply it to the ratio, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, the second term. 6 times 2 is 12, the third term. And to get the fourth term, 12 times 2, which is 24. And for the last term, 24 times r is 48.
Yay! So, geometric sequences, again, are like arithmetic, but instead of adding them, you multiply them. And our formula is a sub n equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Again, a sub n equals a sub 1 times r n minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay? And for other additional information, your r is equivalent to a sub 2 over a sub 1. And always make sure to input your problems in the calculator correctly, okay? I hope that you learned something in this video, and see you soon! Disclaimer! We're not actually real math instructors, we're just here to help our fellow students learn how to solve geometric sequences. So we really do hope that you learned something from us today. Yay!